Hello guys, welcome to Pre-Tech Ideas. In this video, I will show you how you can create a professional online store using WordPress. This video is complete tutorial, so don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So before we start this video, make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting platform. But if you are looking for best hosting, I will recommend you go with the Hostinger business plan. You will find link in description for discount and you will get pretty nice discount. Also 3-month free because business plan comes with the AI and also you will able to enable CDN which will speed up your website and pretty more features in the Hostinger business plan. So after you purchase hosting, you have to install WordPress on your Hostinger. To install WordPress, you have to go to Hostinger and click on Add Website and click WordPress. After you click on WordPress, you have to wait. You have to follow some steps. Click Next and click here, create a blank site, and you have to provide your domain name. Make sure you have already purchased your domain name, and or you can also use temporary domain name. Downside here, use temporary domain name and click Next. WordPress will be installed on your hosting platform. But if you want but if you're looking for Hostinger tutorial, we have a complete tutorial on Hostinger, how you can build also website using Hostinger AI. We have all the tutorials about Hostinger. You will able to find link in description. So first of all, before we go into video, we have to make sure our WordPress settings are up to date. For that, we will go to setting option and first option general. In the general option, we will make sure we have correctly provide our website name, tagline, and we will also check some permalinks. So in the site title, let's put my website shop name. You can provide your shop name here and tagline downside. And you have to provide your site icon. Site icon will appear in your browser icon. WordPress address should be HTTPS. If it's only HTTP, you have to include S. Before you include S in HTTP, make sure you have already SSL certificate installed in your backend hosting. Because Hostinger, if you choose a business plan of Hostinger, you will get also free SSL for all your domains. And then admin email address, make sure it's correct. And then you have to choose time zone, site language, date format, time format, and week start on. Then we have to click on save changes. Next, we have to click here option downside permalinks. Your permalink might be set here, day and name. You have to change it to post name. After you change it to post name, let's click on save changes. Next step, we have to install free WordPress e-commerce theme, which comes with a pretty nice layout, professional. You will able to build a pretty nice online store using that theme. For that, let's go to appearance, click on themes. So these are the theme by default we have, but we have to click here add theme. When we click on add theme, we have to scroll down. You will find the theme name Futurio storefront. So we have to click here install and activate our Futurio theme right away. Okay, so next step, we have to click here. So you can see here we have message, thank you for installing Futurio storefront. And to take full advantage, we have to click install this plugin. It will install Futurio extra plugin. Let's click on install and we have to wait till it install, and we will click activate this plugin right away. So if you're new on my channel, please hit subscribe. Also share my videos with your friends. I really appreciate, so I bring more great tutorial for you. So here, this page, we can easily import the demo content you like from the list here. So if we look here, number one option, Futurio storefront, let's click on live review. So this is our theme live review. You will able to check your theme, how it look like, and we will able to customize this particular theme completely. I really like the product layouts here, beautiful, description great, related product, and then you will able to also check some other pages like about us, blog, contact us. And this theme has a nice layout. I really like the layout. And you will able to find and you will able to create nice. So if we look at in the header section, we have a login and registered option. Let's click on it. Okay, it's great. Okay, and they have to click on login. If we click on the home page, go back to the home page, we will able to see the sliders here. We definitely can change these things later on. And this is animated theme, beautiful. Okay, so here now let's go ahead, click. We are going to import this particular demo, or let's click on or scroll down, and you will able to find out more free options. So if we scroll down, we have another here, WooCommerce tech. Let's click on review. If you like this template, you can definitely go with this one. If you like its layout, if you wanna build tech related e-commerce store, then you definitely can choose this layout if you like this one. Or you can also explore some other options here. WooCommerce fashion, if you wanna build a fashion shop, and those themes or those templates especially built for particular niche, and I really like it. This one is beautiful, so we will use this one. If you want to change colors and everything will be customizable. And if we scroll down further, we have other options, services. If you want to build any services or business website, you also can build with it. Okay, and if we scroll down, we have a star layout, architect, and then WooCommerce fashion, another one. So let me click on live review. You can review all the options here. So I'm going to choose the free options here. If you want to go with pro, you have to upgrade to pro for. So let me check this one. Okay, this one also great. On sale product. So if you are planning to build a fashion store, you can choose easily the fashion layout from here. WooCommerce fashion, Elementor blog. Let's check out. You're also able to build a Elementor blog with it. And then we have also other option, electronics. If you wanna build electronic e-commerce store, then you can choose this one. Here we have electronics. So you can choose your layout. So let's go with the first one. Click on it. The layout you finalize, just click on the layout. And this pop-up will open. It will ask you to install some required plugin, which include Futurio Extra, Elementor. Futurio Extra already activated. Elementor and WooCommerce, those plugin we have to click install now, both of these, before we go further to next step. So we have to complete this step to install required plugins. The WooCommerce plugin will install e-commerce functionality in the backend. Elementor we use to edit our website or customize our website using Elementor. So now all the required plugins has been activated. Let's click on go to the next step. So if you are just install, if you just install new WordPress, you can choose three options. But if you have old content, or if you already have last time you install any other theme, or you already have a product, or you wanna wipe out all the data, reset theme options, Then you have to also choose this option. This will reset all the theme options you have previously. So I'm not going to choose the first option. Let's select three options because my WordPress is newly installed. Let's click on install this demo. Now it will take some time. We have to wait till we complete this process. Okay, so we have complete this process. Let's check out our website, how it look like. Okay, beautiful. So we got our website. Let me refresh again. So yeah, we got it. Some of the product not showing, not worry, no worry about it. So we have to upload our own product and we definitely can display here. So the some images are missing, no worries, we will add the images also. So now let's click on first to check the features of this particular template. In the appearance you also see option. Under the appearance you will see one option for tutorial options. Let's click on it to see what options we get in this particular theme. So we have all these customizer things. Okay, then there are some more information if you want to upgrade to pro. Okay, and required recommended plugin information. Here we have to install contact form 7. Let's click on install because we also need contact form 7 to enable forms. So now we have almost done. Now let's click on appearance and now click on customizer to check customize option first. Later on we will customize the layout. First we have to check all the option we get in the customize area. So first option, one click demo import. We already import demo. You can also see the library from here and it will bring you back to the library of templates, documentation, color and typography. Let's click on it and we are going to start from here. Site background, click on it, color. So the site background color is white, so we want to keep it white. If you want to keep it dark, you can switch to dark layout. Okay, so we will keep it white. Background image, you also can set any background image for your website layout. Next is color present. You can choose any color if you like and it will change immediately the color. Here you can see the button colors. If I choose any other, it will also change here immediately. So you have to decide your color. And then content. In the content you can change your font family, font for your website. Font family, click on it and choose any other font you like for your website, like that. If you also can keep default and then keep scroll down, you can choose font for the titles. So here, and you can see this is actually title, so you can see it will change immediately here. So you have to choose both fonts. After you choose both fonts, let's click on publish. Do not forget to click on publish always when you make changes so we don't miss our work. So blog and archive, so let me click on blog page. So this is about blog and archive page. Font family for your blog, so here it will keep change this one. So if you want to set any nice, okay, here font variant I will select little dark 500. Okay, you can see here title, and then font family for rest of your words. Okay, you can select here, and then post and pages for your post and pages. This is all about colors and for example you want to make changes to the typography or fonts in particular section, like example post and pages top bar, it will only change font in that particular area. Example main menu, so you can also change main menu font here. If you want to only change font for main menu, here it will change immediately. You can see here. Okay, I like this one. Publish. And then we have a sidebar, color for the sidebar. If you want to hide or display sidebar, you have to enable it. You have to click on it. Okay, or just to go back. Footer widget, color for your footer widgets. You can choose font for your footer widget. If you want to enable footer, I will show you later how to do it. So let's go back from color and typography. Let's click on header and menu to make changes to our header section. First click on top bar, the top bar of our header. Yeah, this one. We have a number address in the top bar. So here text area 2 icon. Let's click on text area. So this is a top bar. So in the top bar we have enabled some things. You can unhide them. For example, I hide text area 1. Just click on this little eye icon to hide it. If you want to keep it, just keep it, or you can drag it. You want to make second the number in the first, and then change your address here, the address on the top bar, and then you can change your number on the top bar header. Icons of your social media. If you want to hide anything, example, you want to hide the icons, just click on the icon here and it will be hidden, and publish. Okay, so let me go back to the section here, top pages, to fix this sidebar. Okay, I have to uncheck it. Or let me refresh it. Let me refresh it one time. Okay, so we are in color and photography. Okay, so next is header and menu. Okay, we are in header and menu. Next is header. That means header is main header, this one, where we have our logo, search, product, login, register, and shopping cart. You also can set custom header for it if you have default kit, but if not, just uncheck it. Just refresh your page, it will be unchecked. Header menu. Okay, so now don't select this option. Keep scroll down. Header spacing, if you want to give some space between the elements, header spacing, use for that. Here, I think this looks good. And then if you want to hide anything, header, logo, search, widget, example, you don't want to show anything from here, just hide it. Total feed and cart, text, shopping cart, welcome. If you want to keep it default, you can keep all these settings by default. It looks good. Let's go back, and now we will go. Now we have option for main menu. The downside, we have a main menu. You can change in the padding or margin here between the elements, or you can menu align to the center. This one, it become to the center here, this menu. If you want to keep it left side, click menu align left side. Then we have a download button here. I don't want to show download button, or you want to change it and make it something like a track order. I will also show you how to enable track order. Just now we are going to change the button text here, track order. Later on we will put our link here. Just uncheck this link, put a slash. Okay, publish. Now border color, if you want to change border color for the button, and background for the button. Okay, and then color on hover, when they hover for the button. Button radius, you can change button radius from here. Let's go back, header image, and this is the current image. Now let's go back. Post and pages. Blog post we already checked. Okay, let's click on blog post. So we will make changes to our blog layout. Click on blog option. So we will make changes to the blog layout. You might don't like this layout. You can make changes. You wanna show the date here, just visible or hidden. You can hide this date. And then comment. I wanna hidden all. I wanna hide all the comments. Okay. So now we have a left author. You can keep it visible. And the description, how many words you want to keep it here. I always keep 30 or 25 always, so it look more professional. Image dimension, you can change image dimension or radius, like to make it more professional. Okay, little bit corner. Okay, now image shadow, I want to give some shadow to the images to make it professional. And then okay, publish. So this looks beautiful. And then single page. Now let's click on any single page. Contact us, about us, those are single pages. In the single pages, if you want to display full width or inside post, title, image area height, this is for this particular area. And then WooCommerce. So you have to do WooCommerce setting as well, but you need to do WooCommerce setting in the backend, so you will able to start selling. So for WooCommerce, we also have tutorial about WooCommerce, how to make setting in the WooCommerce, different tutorial. Just to find a WooCommerce playlist, let's click on general setting. These settings for the e-commerce product areas, gallery zoom. So let me open my single product. So if I hover here, this is the gallery zoom, we call it. Gallery zoom is enabled. If I disable it, so there is still. So I think it's about gallery slider number. Okay, so let me go to shop page. I think, yeah, so I have to visit the shop page. Okay, here, this one, general setting, item per row, these items. Okay, so these item 4 product in one row. So if you want to make it only 3, okay, just make it 3 product in one row. Well, look more little bigger. Okay, this looks pretty. Now number of items 24 per page. You can increase the product, how many product per page. And then my account icon, so you can hide, change my account icon. Next is archive shop, the same archive shop page. You can change font family for this. Okay, like that. Okay, this looks good. Different fonts you can use, but I will recommend just stick with one font you like from the list here. Just stick with one font, or you can set to default. Now there is an option for category, the category showing here in the products. You can also disable the product category will not show here on the products. Okay, if you want to set button radius, you can make changes, button radius, border radius. Okay, you can see the corners, it will change. Okay, here I will set it to 14, 13, 14. Image border radius, little bit image border in the images. Okay, I will keep it 20. So check out our product layout. Okay, now it looks good. And then product shadow, I want to give some product shadow. Okay, this one, perfect. 9 I think 7 8 6 7 8 5 6 7 8. Product shadow on hover, when they hover, how much shadow it should be. If I increase, there is a lot shadow. Okay, little shadow. So product shadow 5, product hover shadow, you can make it 8 or 9. Publish. And you can also make changes to the mobile, especially for the mobile units. If I hover to the mobile and change to mobile layout, you will able to make changes for the mobile here, this way. Just to change your device here downside and make changes. Those changes will set to particular, and you have to follow upper side here, desktop icon, tablet icon and mobile icon, and make changes. And also switch downside to mobile, example here mobile and downside mobile. So we will make changes now, it will show right away here. Okay, so now product page. Let's click on product page, open any product, font for the title. Okay, here this font I want to make it a little 6 italic. Okay, italic you can make it. And then font size is good already, 36. And price, you can make changes to the price font. Okay, and make it font variant to 700, something dark, so price well more visible well. Image area width, I will give some image area width, little bit, not too much. Or you can click here, refresh to keep it default. Product navigation, this one upper side, previous and next product, you can hide it, or if you want. Tab title align, you can align the title. Related product downside, if you want to keep related product, keep it enable. Okay, the setting for the product page. Now buttons, just you have only option to make some border radius to the buttons here. I always keep it border radius on the button, so it will little round. And then store notice, you can set store notice if the product only if the your store is still under maintenance, you can enable this store notice. Otherwise you don't need to enable it, so it will be here. This store is demo store, don't purchase. Okay, so you can enable this option. This will be under WooCommerce store notice. Product catalog, the product catalog, I'm pretty sure it will be on front page. Okay, so we will check it later on. Product images, now let's talk about product images. Click on any product. Okay, so now product width, image width is 600, 300 is I think already good, we don't need to make changes. Okay, in the product checkout, so this option for the checkout page. Okay, so what fields we have in the checkout page? If you don't want to show the sidebar, I will show you how to disable the sidebar. So our website does not have the sidebar on the pages, because pages important content only. I always recommend to add sidebar when you have blog. Privacy policy page, make sure you add your privacy policy page. First you have to make privacy policy page backend, then select here same term condition page. So it will ask them to check privacy policy of store. When they click here, they will go to website page. You can set company name field if it's required, or you want to hidden it. Company name, it will be hide, there will be no company name if you want. Phone number required. Okay, so you can make changes. Let's go back. Okay, global option. Okay, so global option, what is it? So it's for the blog template. Let me click on blog. So this is setting again for the blog page. If you have template, you can choose, but I will not recommend to choose it. 404 page, if you have already 404 page. Footer visit column. Okay, so footer visit column you can set for website preloader. Website preloader will preload like this, and it looks beautiful. It make website more professional. It will work like like that. Okay, so I always recommend to enable it. Will look more pretty, I know, like a professional store. And then choose dynamic to file. That's okay. Sidebar, let's talk about now sidebar. So we have only two options for the sidebar. I will show you later on how to make the sidebar little big. If you want to make it little big, you have to choose wide, otherwise narrow layout for the blog. Let's go back and copyright. So this is the copyright for footer. You can change your copyright from here. Okay, you have to put actually the copyright text here, then it will visible here. The old content automatically remove in the footer section for copyright. Just you have to provide your copyright here. And then we have some custom codes. So if you want, sometime you want to add custom code in the header section. Sometime you add like a suitable for Google Analytic code, Google Search Console, then you can paste here. So if they ask you to add in the head, you have to enter here. You have a box here. So theme give you option to add some custom codes. Site identity, where we will add our logo. Just to change your logo and choose your logo. If not, you have to make your logo. If you have no logo, just click remove. It will show your shop page. Just click display site title and put tagline here. Instead of your logo, it will display your shop name and put the tagline. And then we have a menu. You can set your menu on menu. Click on main menu and remove the options you have here all, or do one thing, click on create new menu, name the menu new, and select immediately here home page main menu, or main menu. Click next. Now this menu will be removed completely because we set here main menu, so this will be our new menu. Click add item. Now it's time to add important item in the menu. So what we can add here: shop page, contact page, blog page, and home page. So home for your storefront, just to change it, only keep the store or put the word home. Okay, it will become home. Publish. Now we have a home, shop, contact, blog. So let me drag the contact should be in the end. Okay, now we have our menu. Okay, you can make it middle if you want. So I have to decrease some layout and the size of middle main menu. So let me go back to the option header menu, header, and header spacing, let me reduce it. Okay, let me make it 0, refresh it. And now let me go to option here, color and typography, then header and title here in the header. So let me make our website name little bigger. Let me check it looks good, but if you want to make it a little bigger, just a font family or choose the variant and size. For example, font family for your site name. And let me check something. Okay, if you want to make it a little bigger your shop name and put in the font size, it's already 28, put something 32 and it will be bigger. Font color, even you can choose the font color for your shop. Text transform, lowercase, uppercase, capital, you can choose here. And then what else? So we have home visits. So these are the visits disabled in the footer section. Let's click on footer section, got it, and try to add one item here. So let me search for menu and select the menu to see if how our footer will look like. Okay, yeah, you can add things in the footer. And then let's go back. If you want to add another footer, let me go back. Or if you don't want to add footer, just remove it. Or you can also add something downside if you want to add more things in the footer. Okay, so now let's change our shop homepage layout. Make changes to our shop homepage layout. In the global setting, click on global setting, and downside you will see footer visit column. So if you want to keep two column, example one column only the main menu, other column you want to keep something else, select two and publish. Go back to the visit option to see if you see two footer section. So let's try to add recent post. Okay, looks good. And next, legacy and product list. Or just make it something else. Legacy visit again, and about me. Okay, this way you can add different things in the footer. So we have in the footer two elements because we set in the setting two elements. So here you have to make changes to the about our shop, anything, click on it, about me. So always use legacy visit. Just click on the element block, search for legacy visit and choose the visit here. Example, you want to show recent post, popular post, about me, navigation menu if you want to display menu. Okay, so it will be our menu. So let me delete about us, and now we have a menu here, but menu not selected. Click on navigation menu and select your menu for your footer section. So we have menu. Now let me make it important links. Okay, so we have also our menu here. You can make different menu for the footer. Publish. Now if you want to make three element, just go back from the footer visits and go back again to the option global option, and you will see here under the global option footer visit column I set to 2. Okay, if you set to 3, 4, then you will able to add more. Then you have to go back to the visits footer section and keep downside. Click add block and keep it add. It will only add 4. If you select 4, it will only add 4. If you select 2, if you try to add 3, it will not work. It only work 2 according your settings. Okay, so now let's start customize our home page. Click on edit with Elementor, because we install Elementor page builder, and we can definitely and easily customize our home page using Elementor. So now let's move from the header section. We are going to customize header section here, hero section. So when you hover your mouse on the text, just click one time, and this side, left side, it will open another window where you will able to change your text. So here let me make the changes. So you have to align to the one step down. Every letter you want to make it like animated. Just enter one step to down. So here, welcome to create store, and one step down, separate word, each separate line, and okay, like that, create store, and it will be animated. Accessories. Okay, now downside we have after text. After text is tutorial storefront. So here after text, do not delete this BR shortcode. Just only change the word. So shop man, woman, accessories. Okay, welcome to pre-tech pre-store shop man, woman, accessories. Okay, now shop now button, just click on the button very corner and shop, change this shop now text. So here in the link, this is not correct link, but if you want, it will just bring you to the shop section, not the shop page, because in the link there is hashtag shop. When you add hashtag instead of link, it will jump to the shop section. So it's we use hashtag to jump to the particular section. So if you want to add someone, click here shop now, they should go to shop page. Then you have to add in the link your shop page. How you find your shop page? Go back to your here website and go to pages, all pages, and check for your shop page. Here it is. Right click on view, copy link address, keep open into the new tab all the things. So in the back end, WordPress just open into new private tab, other tab, and customization into another tab. So we will immediately switch the tab to paste the link. Just paste your link here. Okay, now we paste the link. Downside we have a description. Let me give you one tip here for AI. You can just if you're using computer Windows 11 or 10, just click on, there is a one Microsoft copy code. Okay, copy code you can use to get information or help with your content. Just tell about your store, what type of store you have, and it will generate these descriptions for you. Just you have to copy and paste in the sections. Now let's talk about this particular image. Click on it and it will give you option to choose your image. Just to choose other image. Here one another tip, only choose here the image with the transparent background. If I choose this image, this is also transparent image. Transparent image, that means there is no background, without background. So you have to keep all these images ready into the Canva. You can make it in the Canva. Downside feature section, let's click on first title, about feature title, click on it, and here you can change your feature title to something else. Popular popular, only popular products. Downside we have products, sorry my mistake here, popular products. And then when you hover your mouse to the products, click anywhere one time and you will not see options here to make changes, some more changes. Okay, you can do limited changes, so you have to make changes within this short code here. So the short code is start from product limit is set for, instead for just to put number 8 and it will be 8 products. Columns for, if you want to keep 3 column, or if you want to increase column, put 5 here. So product will be 5 in one row. So if you are going to put here product limit to 8 product, make sure you have 8 product, because right now we don't have 8 products, so it's not visible, but you can set here. Once you have 8 products, 2 rows will be show. And visibility featured, you can keep it as featured. Then this product, top product, click on it, and downside click again, and animated text, same to the this section, animated text. And then if you want to change the background image, just click very center, edit section, go to style, and change this particular image. You can set any other image here, example this. Okay, so now we have this image like bikini from 99. You can change this price, just click on, hover your mouse anywhere, and you will see lines to make changes. Shop now, there is a shop now, should be shop now button. It's already on the shop link. That's good. Now let's talk about this sale, the letter here. Click on it and you can change it. Example, downside I want to change to limited offer. Okay, and now click on the product not showing, click here. So we will able to check why product not showing. How you get these short codes? Just go ahead on the search and ask for WooCommerce. Okay, so now we have one first website, product shortcodes. You can use these shortcodes to display product. Example, sale product you want to display. Copy this shortcode and just to put your shortcode here. Let me copy first this old shortcode, just keep somewhere on your computer so you don't miss. Okay, then you will able to again copy from your computer and paste here. Okay, let me copy the first sale product. It will only display sales products. The product has sale. If not visible, that means there is no sales product. Okay, now let's move to other. They will give us some option like here, product limit for column 4, order by popularity. Okay, so that means any product match to these shortcode will display here, either product quick sale, on sale, or popular product. Okay, if not showing, you can display also all products. You can make it all product section. Okay, product limit featured, so it's already there, featured. Okay, so selling, best selling product. Okay, now we are going to display here best selling product with shortcode. Okay, perfect. Now we have products. So these are best selling. So now you can make it change to best selling. On this section only display best selling product because we set shortcode best selling here from WooCommerce. Click publish. Downside we have how we can help you design. Click on it and change here. Description same way, change here. And then weekly featured item, click on it and you can make changes to it. And downside you have a little small banners. Just click on the very corner, style, to make changes to the image backend corner. In the gray, little gray button, go to style and change this image. So in the between, let's check out 5 product on sale product, just change to all products. Okay, now looks good. Hide free product, show hidden products. Okay, so you can this way display your, make changes to your home page. Then we have a bikini, this banner, you can change it. Like I want to display here shirts, t-shirts, pants, like that. Shirts, it will animate t-shirts and pants. Okay, just here with your letters. Okay, you can also put after text. For men and or women. Okay, now looks good. T-shirts, pants for women. And you want to change here images same way. Upload the transparent images always. You want to make changes to the button and change your text of the button and put the relevant link, or you can link your product. Let me show you how. Example, you are selling in this section particular product. You have to find that product you are selling here and find out in the WooCommerce products, all products. Example, that is here, ladies shoot. Let me right click on view, copy link address. Now I will go to the same front page. Instead shop now here. Instead old link I will delete and I will paste that I just copy product link. So someone click here, they will go to immediate this same product. So you have to copy your link from the backend products. Which product you want to link with the buttons. Get in touch, make changes here, click on it, changes. And the map, if you want to keep, just click on the very corner of map and search the location here. And it will immediately pull up the location. Here it is. This way. Just to search your location. And you can set also the zoom. And your email address, shop, telephone number here, company address, and follow us, view map. And you can set your Google Map link here from the view map. Okay, this way you can make changes to all your pages. Let me check my home page if product are showing well. Okay, this product also showing. Okay, perfect. Now this also. So now you have to go to contact us page, all the pages. Just you have to visit all the pages about or contact us and click edit with Elementor, and you have to start customize your every page. Contact us, click on it and make changes. If you want to make smaller this section, if you want to, this looks very big, the box here, this looks very big, so I want to make it smaller. Click on here, middle, see my mouse here, edit section in the middle, and go to advanced option. Under the advanced you will see some value in the top and bottom. Value we use to give space, so instead of 160 I only put 60. Sorry, my mistake. 60. In the bottom 50. Okay, now you can check if it look good or you wanna decrease little bit. Okay, this looks good. So copy the value and every page you have to put same value and you have to click every time edit section in the middle. And same here, corner, and make changes to a location, put the location in the location section. Follow me, click on the links. Everywhere on the website, just when you see links and you're customizing with Elementor, click anywhere here and you will see option. Just click one by one and you will see option link. For example, Facebook, click on Facebook and put inside the link box link, Facebook link. You don't want to use any of these like Pinterest, click on X to delete it. Delete the icon. Okay, I want to keep 3. Okay, what else? So if you have any question, just let me know in the comments, guys. Blog, now you want to change the sidebar. This time you have to click customize or go to your backend WordPress appearance and customize. Same option will be open. Okay, here. Now this time we will click here sidebar. Let me click first widgets. Okay, widgets. In the widgets, click on sidebar. Now you have all your sidebar here. You can make changes. Example, you don't want to keep the archive category. Let me find it here. So this looks different. Archive sidebar. Okay, this is the archive sidebar. You have to go to, instead of sidebar, archive sidebar. Sidebar is, I think, when you click on post, single post. Archive sidebar when you click on blog page. Now you want to delete archive. Click on archive and look at three dots option. Downside, delete. This will be deleted. Again, click. Don't click anywhere. Just click on three dot again. Delete. Now one time again select category. Three dot. Delete. Again three dot. Delete. Okay. Now you have left this part. Category cart. You want to delete it. I don't want to show cart. I want to keep only important things here. So we have a product search. Follow us products. Okay. You want to make show more product. Only have 5. Click on the products and put here value 8, example 8, and it will display 8 products here. Okay, perfect. This way you can change your sidebar also. Now if you click on single post, there will be different sidebar, might be, yeah, different. So you have to change it into the customize. First customize it and then go to option widgets. Now click sidebar, only sidebar. So you have same sidebar here to make changes. So this way you can make changes to your online store. So let's talk about menu. So we have here side panel for the product. If you want to keep, you can keep it. Search product. I love the animations. Okay, now let's move to customize. This time click on mobile layout to check our mobile layout header. Let me click on header menu. Top bar. Okay, and if you want to hide anything, you can just click on here mobile, and you can reduce also the spacing in the mobile. You don't want to display in the search, or you don't want to display anything, cart button, uncheck it and it will be removed. Okay, now what else? So if you have any question, just let me know in the comments, guys, because the video is already longer. The footer you can keep, I can suggest you 3 columns will look good. 3 columns. Now let's go back to the backend. Now let me suggest you some of the plugin you can use to optimize your store better. Plugins, add plugin. Let's click on featured. Some of the plugin here, let's click on popular plugins. First, let's talk about SEO. For SEO, you can use Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO. Just you have to search in the plugins SEO. Use Rank Math SEO or Yoast SEO. Both of them, any of them is one of the best. And then you have Elementor. We already have contact form 7. So if you wanna display the form, let me also show you. Light speed cache you can use to optimize the website speed. Instead of contact form 7, if you wanna use WP form, drag and drop builder, you can use it. All-in-one WP migration to back up your website always. Site kit we use to add your website into the Google. You can install and activate all these plugins. WordFence security we use to secure your WordPress. Then there are some other plugins you can use. So let me now go to the form, contact form, contact. In the WordPress you will see contacts. Click on contact form and you have already one form build. Okay, just you have to copy the short code from the middle, copy and go to your contact page. Here, this is our contact. Now I want to display form instead of this map. You can definitely do that. You have to delete first map. If you want to keep map, then you have to display form anywhere downside. Click this plus to make one box space, and this time click on here plus icon. That's okay. If not, or click here upper side left side, add element, and search for shortcode. Just to drag the shortcode even in the map or anywhere you want to display the form, I will drop in the lines. So paste my contact form 7 shortcode. So we have now form. Okay, so you have to make it boxed layout. So let me make it width custom. Okay, here, and make it align self to middle. So we have, if you want a little bit more, okay, so we have form here, and then you have to add title here, form. Just to copy it, the title, copy this same heading, follow me on, just to copy it so we can make it contact form. Click plus add container, and it will give you again one box upper side. Now right click, paste, and change the title from contact us to here, contact us. Give some space between the element, go to advanced, uncheck first link value together, uncheck. Padding in the bottom, we need to put in the bottom around 33, or in the upper 22. Okay, yeah. Okay, this looks good. You want to add the color in the background little bit to make it nice. Click style and text shadow. Okay, so we have to click on the edit container in the middle, go to style, background, apply the background, make the text white color. You also can add image here instead of a color. Select the image you wanna add as background, and then you have to make your color black to it should be visible. Let's add some background overlay, little bit darker, or you have to make it, your text color should be white if you are making it dark, so it will be visible. I want to give space after, so middle click, advance, and again I will put upper side 22, bottom should be 33, or click downside here on the form middle, edit container, go to advanced, margin put here top 33. Okay, now look better. Save changes. This way you also can add form here. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comments, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit subscribe, like, and share my video so I bring more nice content for you guys. Thank you so much.